Hello. I've been asked to model some addition strategies for parents to use at home when helping their kids. And so I am going to show you a couple different models of how we teach addition in the elementary schools. So the first strategy I have modeled here is called counting on. And this works well if you are using either 1, 2, or 3 as a number. So I used 5 plus 3 to demonstrate this. So you're going to start with the bigger number. In this case, it's 5. And then you're going to count 3 more. So that would look like 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So then the next strategy we're going to look at is called making a 10. And I personally like this one the most. I think it makes the most sense. And I've seen it work really well with kids. So in making a 10, you actually can teach the kids that you start by making a 10 and it makes it easier. So you can teach the kids that we can actually decompose this number. So we can do that by breaking 4 into 3 plus 1. Because we know that 7 plus 3 makes a 10, and then we just have to add 1 more, which makes 11. So I demonstrated that right here in our 10 frame, and so I actually color coded it so you can see that I have 7 plus 3 plus 1 equals 11. So I made a 10 up here and then I added 1 more and that equals 11. So it's a really great strategy for finding an easy number to add, because adding tens is usually easier. Here is a number line. So this is how we would add using a number line. And so in this one I did 5 plus 4 more is 9. So I can actually show that I started with 5 and I added 4 more. So here's a piece that contains 4. We can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, and that equals 9. So here are a few more strategies, and really the doubles strategy is the same strategy. It's just doubles plus 1, doubles plus 2 is just a little different. So with doubles, we want kids to recognize that 1 plus 1 is 2 ones. And if I take 2 ones and put them together, that equals 2. And then same thing right here, 2 plus 2, that's a double, and it's 2 2s, which would equal 4. Again, here's 3 plus 3, which is 2 3s, and it would equal 6. And then we have 4 plus 4, which is 2 4s, which equals 8. So doubles plus 1 is a similar strategy, but we're going to take the number 5 plus 6, and we're going to make it more friendly, and we're going to make it a double plus 1. So we would put 5 plus 5 plus 1 equals 11. And we can call these neighbors. There's a couple more examples there. And then down here we have doubles plus 2. We like to call them distant neighbors. So in this example, I can decompose the number 6 to 4 and 2, which would give me a double, 4 plus 4 plus 2. That's easy. We do 8 plus 2 equals 10, and I modeled that down here. Okay, so down here, I listed the standards that apply to addition, and this is a second grade standard, and it says that students should be able to add and subtract fluently within 20 using mental strategies, and that's what we expect by second grade. That's the benchmark. Also, by the end of second grade, students should know from memory all sums of 2 one-digit numbers. So in order to meet those benchmarks, these are some really great strategies to help your student learn those things. As always, if you have questions, please let me know. I hope this helps you. Thanks.